Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Shadowing. My name is Vanessa.
And I am Robert. Today, we are going to have a simple English conversation about asking for directions.
This conversation uses easy English and common daily phrases.
Listen carefully and enjoy the conversation.
Robert, you ready to go to the city center?
Yes, I am ready, but I do not know the way.
That is okay. We can ask for directions.
Good idea. I am good at walking, but not good at maps.
Do you have your phone with you?
Yes, I do, but my battery is very low.
Oh no, how low is it?
It is at 5%. My phone is almost sleeping.
Then we should not use the map too much.
Right. We can use old-style human directions.
Exactly. People can be very helpful.
I hope so. I do not want to get lost today.
Don't worry, we will find the way together.
Thank you. Getting lost with a friend is less scary.
True, but let's try not to get lost.
Yes, that is better.
We need to go to Green Park first.
Green Park sounds easy. Is it near here?
I think it is about 10 minutes away.
10 minutes by walking or by magic?
By walking, Robert, I do not have magic shoes.
That is sad. Magic shoes would be useful today.
Let's ask someone near the bus stop.
Good idea. People at bus stops often know the area.
Excuse me, can you help us, please?
We are looking for Green Park.
Is it far from here?
Thank you. We can listen carefully.
Okay, the person said to go straight and turn left.
Go straight, then turn left. I can remember that.
Then we walk past the bank.
Past the bank, good. Banks are easy to see.
After the bank, the park is on the right.
Great. So the park is on the right after the bank.
Yes, that sounds simple.
Simple directions make me happy.
Let's start walking straight.
Okay, I will walk and look for the bank.
This street is busy today.
Yes, there are many cars and many people.
Stay close to the sidewalk.
Of course, safety first, direction second.
Do you see the bank?
Not yet. I see a bakery and a small shop.
The bakery smells good.
It does. Are we sure we need the park first?
Yes, park first, bread later.
Fine. But the bread is calling my name.
Tell the bread to wait.
Okay, bread, please wait for me.
You are funny when you are hungry.
I am always a little hungry.
Here's the bank. We found it.
Great. Now the park should be on the right.
I see trees over there.
Yes, that must be Green Park.
Good job. We followed the directions.
That was not too hard.
Asking politely helped a lot.
Yes, a simple question can save a lot of time.
Now we need to find the city library.
The library? I thought we were going to a cafe.
The cafe is near the library.
Ah, now I understand. Books first, coffee second.
Exactly. We need to pass the library to find the cafe.
Do you know the way from here?
Not really. I only know it is near the park.
Then we should ask again.
Yes, let's ask that woman near the gate.
Good idea. She looks friendly.
Excuse me, do you know where the city library is?
We are near Green Park now.
Thank you. Could you say that again, please?
Yes, slower, please. We want to remember it.
She said to walk through the park.
Walk through the park. That sounds nice.
Then turn right at the fountain.
Turn right at the fountain. I like that landmark.
After that, walk straight for 2 blocks.
2 blocks? Then what?
The library is next to the post office.
Next to the post office. Okay, I think I have it.
Let's repeat it once.
Walk through the park, turn right at the fountain, and walk straight for 2 blocks.
Then the library is next to the post office.
Perfect. My brain is working today.
Good. Let's walk through the park.
This park is beautiful. The trees are very green.
Yes, and it is quieter than the street.
I like walking here. Maybe getting directions is fun.
It can be fun when the weather is nice.
Do you see the fountain?
Yes, it is in the middle of the park.
Great. We turn right there.
Correct. You are becoming a direction expert.
Thank you. Please give me a badge.
Your badge says Robert can turn right.
I will wear it proudly.
Here is the fountain. Let's turn right.
Okay, now we walk straight for 2 blocks.
Yes, 1 block, then another block.
What is a block exactly?
It is the space between two streets.
Ah, I see. So when we cross one street, that is 1 block.
Yes, exactly.
Good, that is useful to know.
We are at the first street now.
So this is 1 block.
Right, let's cross carefully.
The light is green. We can cross now.
Good. Now we walk 1 more block.
I see a post office sign ahead.
Great. The library should be next to it.
I see the library. It is a big white building.
Yes, that is it. We found it.
Nice. We are very good at this.
We are getting better.
Now, where is the cafe?
The cafe is called Sunny Cafe.
I like that name. It sounds warm and happy.
I think it is behind the library.
Behind the library. Let's check.
I do not see it from here.
Maybe it is on the other side?
Let's ask someone again.
Yes. We should not guess too much.
Excuse me, where is Sunny Cafe, please?
Is it near the library?
Thank you. That is very helpful.
What did he say?
He said the cafe is behind the library,
Good. You were right.
but we need to go around the building.
Around the building? Not through the library?
No, not through the library.
Good. I do not want to carry coffee through quiet books.
The cafe is across from the flower shop.
Across from the flower shop. That is easy.
Let's walk around the library.
Okay, I see the flower shop already.
Then the cafe should be across the street.
Yes, there it is. Sunny Cafe.
Perfect. We found the cafe too.
I am proud of us.
Me too. Now we can rest.
And my phone battery can rest too.
Let's go inside and order something.
Good idea. Directions made me thirsty.
Do you want coffee or tea?
Coffee, please. I need energy after all this walking.
I will have iced tea.
Nice. But first, let's choose a table.
This table near the window is nice.
Yes, and we can see the street from here.
Today we asked for directions 3 times.
Yes, and everyone was kind.
It is important to say excuse me first.
Yes, it sounds polite and friendly.
Then we can ask, can you help me?
Or where is the library, please?
We can also ask, is it far from here?
That is useful. I always want to know if I must walk a lot.
You did walk a lot today.
Yes, but I survived.
You were very brave.
Thank you. My feet were brave too.
Do you usually ask people for directions?
Sometimes, yes. But I feel shy.
I understand. It can feel scary at first.
Yes, I worry I will not understand the answer.
Then you can ask, could you say that again, please?
That is a good sentence. It is polite and useful.
You can also say, please speak slowly.
Yes. Slow directions are my favorite directions.
Mine too. Fast directions disappear in my head.
Same here. They fly away like birds.
That is why landmarks help.
Yes, banks, parks, post offices, and flower shops are helpful.
A landmark is easier than a long street name.
Very true. Long street names make me nervous.
Do you prefer using a phone map?
Usually, yes. But today my phone was too tired.
Phones are helpful, but people are helpful too.
Yes, and people can smile.
Maps do not smile.
Maybe one day they will.
A smiling map would be funny.
It would say, turn left, my friend.
That sounds friendly.
But if I go the wrong way, it may look sad.
Then you must say sorry to the map.
I already say sorry to my phone sometimes.
Really?
Yes, when I drop it.
That is kind of you.
Thank you. My phone works hard.
So, what did we learn from today?
We learn to ask politely.
We learned to listen for simple directions.
Go straight, turn left, turn right, and walk past something.
Also, next to, across from, and behind.
Those words are very useful in the city.
Yes, but we are not teaching a lesson.
Right. We are just talking in a cafe.
Exactly. A very useful cafe talk.
And now I want cake.
Cake? We just found the cafe.
Yes, and finding a cafe is hard work.
Maybe one small cake is okay?
Wonderful. I love directions with cake at the end.
What cake do you want?
Chocolate cake, please. It is easy to find on the menu.
I will have a small cookie.
Good choice. Cookies are good travel friends.
Travel friends?
Yes, they are small and happy.
You have funny ideas about food.
Food gives me good ideas.
After this, we need to go back to the bus stop.
Oh no, more directions.
Yes, but now we know the way.
From here, we go around the library.
Then we walk back through the park.
Then we pass the bank.
And then we return to the bus stop.
Great, I can do that.
See? You remember everything?
Yes, cake helps my memory.
I think you just want more cake.
Maybe, yes, but my memory is still better.
Do you ever get lost in a new city?
Yes, many times. New cities can be confusing.
What do you do when you get lost?
I stop first, then I look around.
That is smart. Do not keep walking the wrong way.
Exactly, walking fast in the wrong way is not helpful.
Then you can ask someone nearby.
Yes, I usually ask a shop worker,
Shop workers often know the area well.
and they are usually easy to find.
You can also ask at a hotel or station.
True, stations have signs and maps too.
Signs are very helpful.
Yes, if I understand them.
Some signs have pictures.
I like picture signs. They are friendly to everyone.
Do you like traveling to new places?
Yes, I do. But I like to know the way first.
I like exploring a little.
Exploring is fun, but getting lost is not fun.
Sometimes getting lost can show you new places.
That is true, but I prefer getting lost near a cafe.
Of course you do.
A cafe makes every problem smaller.
That is a nice way to think.
Thank you. Coffee gives me wisdom.
Now your coffee is here.
Perfect. My wisdom is arriving.
And my iced tea is here too.
Let's drink and enjoy our break.
Good idea. We walked, asked, listened, and found the way.
Yes. Today was a small city adventure.
A small adventure with simple English.
And with cake.
Yes, and with cake.
I think this was a very successful trip.
I agree. We found the park, the library, and the cafe.
And we did not use my phone map.
Your 5% battery is safe.
It is now at 3%. It is still fighting.
Then let it rest.
Good idea. I will put it away.
That's our conversation for today.
Tell us your answer in the comments.
Do you ask people for directions when you are lost?
Try to write 1 or 2 simple English sentences.
If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
Thank you for watching Easy English Shadowing.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye, and have a safe trip.